everyone, this is Ridha Khan and welcome to Ridha's Kitchen. Now, as you know, I've bought myself a chef, and with this chef we're going to make some amazing, nice, tasty food. And I've got lots of different dishes for you. These dishes are particularly great for all the students out there who are living by themselves, not with the family, and they're missing their Asian food, or if you're a bachelor or a bachelorette, or if you want to cook for your partner or for your family or give your friends a surprise meal. All these recipes are really easy to do. I personally don't know how to cook, so I'm going to learn with you, and then we're going to go through the ingredients, we're going to go through the method, and it's going to be a great chance for you to learn and to me to learn alongside all of you. I wanted to remind you that if you're allergic to any of the ingredients or not sure if you might be allergic to any of the ingredients, please talk to your GP before you eat anything you're not sure about. So let's start. So today's recipe is going to be fried egg masala gravy. Now this is going to be interesting because we're going to have egg in a masala gravy. I don't know if you've tried this before, but boiled eggs sometimes, and this time fried eggs, do taste kind of nice with a curry. So what we'll need is chopped tomatoes, 3 of them, 3 green chilies, black pepper seeds 5, cloves 5, a few coriander leaves, also known as dhania. You know, nearly every Asian dish or this does need coriander leaves. Then we also will need coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon, curry leaves 1 bunch. Now we need eggs boiled and garlic pods 5 peeled. Ginger will be 2-inch size, and then green cardamoms will be 5, onions 2 big size, red chili powder is 1 tablespoon, and mustard oil is 3 tablespoons. We would also need salt to taste. Now you know a lot of salt is not good for our health, so make sure if you are used to having a lot of salt, try to cut down on the salt intake. So salt to taste minimum. Turmeric powder 1.5 teaspoon. Now we've got all these ingredients together. We have to go and go to the method and prepare the meal. So finally, we will be preparing the meal. We've got all our ingredients. So we're going to take a mixer jar. Then we're going to add the chopped onions. So make sure those onions are chopped. Have some tissues on the side in case they make your eyes water. Ginger pieces and garlic pods. Very tasty, very great, as you know. Also anti-inflammatory, so very good for your health. And then you grind this like a paste. Then we add mustard oil. After that, you take it out in a bowl and you keep it to the side. Now, you add the green cardamom, the cloves, and the black pepper. Right, we're going to be now frying it for a few seconds. Yep. Then add onion, add ginger, add garlic paste, slowly. Then we have all red chili powders. Add all these red chili powder, add your tomato paste, and now we're mixing. Now we mix with some water, and now we add the boiled and fried eggs and spread the coriander leaves. And voila! We have our fried egg masala gravy. Now, we finally made it. You can enjoy it. You can enjoy it with your friends, your family, or just enjoy it for yourself and watch some TV alongside eating your dinner or your meal or your lunch. And I'm going to go through the ingredients pretty quickly. Just go through a review just to make sure you know all the ingredients in case you didn't pay attention. So we have chopped tomatoes 3. We have green chili 3, so it's going to be on the spicy side. Black pepper seeds 5. Cloves 5, coriander leaves a few, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon, curry leaves 1 bunch, and then we have eggs for boil and garlic pods 5 peeled. Ginger, we have 2-inch size. As you know, ginger is very good for you, and ginger is very great for your system, especially if you're not feeling well. If you're not feeling well, if you're sore throat, you have a cold, ginger is the best. Green cardamoms, also known as elaichi. A lot of people put this in their tea, in chais, and 5 of them. Onion, 2 big size. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Mustard oil, 3 tablespoons. Salt to taste, and turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon.